So today I'm in my studio and I'm working on some accessories for a songstress. She is a Grammy-nominated songstress and she's going to the Grammys this year. I designed a few pieces for her to consider. One is this patent leather neck piece. The other is a suede and feather neck piece. This one is going to be a silver leather kind of sci-fi looking neck piece, very Afro-futuristic. Ultimately, she decided on the feathers. And so I then went on to design her a few bracelets to choose from. This was like a long leather cuff with 2 layers of the feathers. This one would be like a ribbon tie bracelet with the feathers. Ultimately, she chose this cuff that I'm going to do with just one solitary feather. So I'm in my studio. I'm going to be working quietly, cutting out the patterns and the leather for these pieces. So join me. These are the silver dipped feathers. Very pretty. I'm excited about that. And some hardware. And a beautiful piece of black suede. Gorgeous. It's pink suede, very supple and adorable. I'm gonna get started. no paint, with paint. No paint was fine, but with this little paint, it's even prettier. So I don't like how much space is between the feathers, because on my original sketch there were like clusters of feathers in the center. So I'm just going to go in, add a couple more holes so that I can fill in the center with a couple more feathers. It's fine that the ends are a little more sparse because that's the way I sketched it, but I want the center to look more full, more robust. Smooth, very smooth. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that for each of these. Another jagged edge there. Ooh, this one is really rough. That thing right there would jack someone's dress up. First, I'm gonna pull it in closer to the feather. Then smooth that thing all the way down. Nice. Very smooth. All right, make sure smooth, 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 and smooth. Excellent. And now we have the cluster happening in the center. I just need to now paint those 2 additional feathers that I added. And I'm thinking about really adding some crystals. Have to decide. I finished the feather necklace last night. I finally found that perfect oomph I was looking for. To just add a little pizzazz so that from across the room, she will be noticed and people will be drawn to her. So now I am creating a matching cuff. And at the top of this video, I show what the cuff design she chose from my sketches. So I'm gonna knock that out real quick.